Welcome, everyone. I'm just waiting for a second. I'm trying something a little bit different today. I'm actually trying to go live on Facebook and Instagram. So, hey, what y'all doing today? So, if you hop on here, let me stand back so it gets all of me on Instagram. Give me some thumbs up if you hop on here. And tell me where you're watching from and what you're doing today. Today, here in West Virginia, it's a little cold. So I thought it would be a perfect day to teach everyone how to make a turmeric latte. So comment below if you've tried a turmeric latte. If you hop on here, tell me hi and share my video. But let's go over a little bit about the turmeric latte. So turmeric is excellent for you. So how many of us are coffee lovers? I personally am not. I cannot stand coffee. So this is a great way for something warm and something that's going to be good for me. So I also like hot tea. So how many of you love drinking hot tea and put those essential oils in your hot tea? Now you can, if you're a coffee lover, you can put the essential oils in your coffee. I have a couple of team members that absolutely love putting cinnamon in their coffee. So let's go ahead and get started because I don't want to keep you all long today. Okay, so let's just go over a little bit about turmeric before we get started. So hopefully you can see me from both screens. So this is kind of fun. So turmeric is going to be great for your skin. And it's also going to be great for those joint that those problematic joints, so joint discomfort, muscle discomfort. Turmeric is going to be great for immune support, cellular function, a healthy metabolism, mental health. So, and turmeric is going to be great for your digestion. So those are just a few things. If anyone is interested a little bit more about the turmeric, just hop on over to my YouTube channel and I've done like a whole video on the benefits of the turmeric. So because turmeric is really about 50% of, so you're going to have sesquiterpenes and monoterpenes, but it's really high in the ketones. So your ketones is a chemical constituents, and that's going to be about a 50%. And then you're also going to have sesquiterpenes and monoterpenes in there. But I don't want to get too much into the chemistry. And what's neat about the turmeric, it also has 1.8 cineol. So which you're not going to find a lot with that type of chemistry. So it's also going to increase the curcumin absorption, so which is, and the potency, which is pretty cool. So those of you that love to take turmeric, you want to add the essential oil so you have that support for absorption and the potency. So let's go ahead and get started. So so you're going to need milk, your favorite type of milk. So whether you love almond milk, I'm a firm believer on, especially at this time, just do what you have at your house. So if you have almond milk, fabulous. Just your favorite type of milk that you love to use, whether it's regular milk, almond milk, or what have you. You know, you can even make almond milk from scratch if you have almonds. And if anyone is interested in that, just comment below and I'll do a video on it. So simply, all you're going to do is half a cup. Just pour it in the pan. Now you can mix all this into the blender, but you're just going to pour in the pan a half a cup of your desired milk. And I'm just going to put this on simmer. Okay, so it can go ahead and start warming up. And then your favorite type of butter, whatever you have in your house. So whether you have some almond butter in the house or some honey butter or some ghee butter, whatever you actually have. If you want to go to the grocery store, great, but I'm just doing what I have in the house. So simply, it's a tablespoon. And if anyone is interested in this recipe, just comment below and I will post it for you guys. So, and then you're going to add a tablespoon. I like to use the raw local honey. So and if you have a local supplier that you love to get it from, you can post that My brother actually just got some bees, so he's going to be doing his own, making his own honey, which is pretty cool. But we have a lot of people out there. I actually have a patient currently. For those that don't know that I'm a massage therapist, I have a patient currently that I get all my honey from. So you just put that in there. And guys, that's basically it. I'm going to put the oils in a second. And I'm going to tell you which oils. You can start this off very slow as far as how much oil you want to use. Like the first time I actually did this latte, I just simply put the turmeric in. But I've kind of changed it up since then. So I'm just warming this up. And all you have to do is warm it up to your desire. You know, what temperature you like. So what I'm doing is I want to get the butter melted. So that's simply what I'm doing. So if you have any questions, just comment below. Tell me what you're doing. Tell me if you like lattes. Tell me if you're able to work right now, what your job is. And I want to thank all the frontline workers as well. So I'm just letting this melt. And I like to add the essential oils in at last. I'm just going to go over real quick what kind of essential oils I'm going to use. So I'm actually going to do 4 drops of the turmeric. Okay. And like I said, you can start off lighter. So you can literally put a drop, but I'm actually going to do 4 drops of the turmeric. And then I'm actually going to do 2 drops of cinnamon. I've actually gotten people to, when they're comfortable, there's the cinnamon. This is how I've gotten them to do internal use the very first time. And you all know who you are, so give me some thumbs up if you're on and watching this. So, and then after we do that, we are going to do 1 drop of ginger. Okay, 1 drop of the ginger. And then I'm going to do 1 drop of the black pepper, and it's really high in antioxidant support. Now, turmeric is amazing to get into your body. I'm actually going to go live later on in the week and talk a little bit about just different forms of applications and personal experiences. So the butter's actually almost melted. So you just get a cup and you're going to pour this in. And you can actually do 1 drop of pink pepper because pink pepper is essential. For any of you that were following me during BOGO week, pink pepper is essential to get into your body on a regular basis. So you can actually do the pink pepper instead of the black pepper. Okay, so that's done. Now, how simple was that? I mean, that's super, super simple. So I'm just going to turn that off. Okay. And you can either at this point go ahead and pour it into your cup. And I have a nice little mug here. And you can either pour it into your cup and put the oils in, or you can just go ahead at the end and put the essential oils in. So just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and put these oils in right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops of the turmeric, 2 drops of cinnamon. Okay, got an extra drop of that, but that's all good. So, and then we're going to do a drop of the black pepper. And then we're going to do a drop of ginger. Now, how easy is that, guys? And this actually does taste incredible. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. So who wants, oh, it smells incredible too. So who wants to try a latte? So you just put it in your cup and you're good to go. So comment below if you'd like the recipe, and I will be back later. You all have a great day. Bye.